my people, this boy na he really kill the woman. Oh, na he kill the woman. He come cut her put for inside fridge. My people, this boy don't kill her finish. He come cut it. Imagine woman wey he broke for you 3 times. Even he come cut her put for inside fridge. My people, he say you know I make the smell. So I know as in, oh my God. Why can human beings be so wicked? How can you be so that wicked, heartless, carrying cutlass? They cut person wey born for you 3 times. If really say that the woman fall by herself, she can't die. You know if you call her blast? Is there no eye blast? Why you call be say you call cut down put for fridge? Say you no get document, you want carry pikin raw gas, rukwanike. When it be una problem, you just kill another man pikin, you call cut down for inside fridge. You even get men they threaten the papa because now you take care of the woman. Since he call Europe, say the woman dey under your custody, then you take care of her. And so what? Then you take care of her. And so what? Then you give her to kill her. You can't kill her if they threaten papa. Guy, you not go make heaven, no. Even though France police even leave you, you go Africa, you not go make heaven. You not go make heaven. That Jennifer spirit go they follow you. You go meet Jennifer where she dey. Guy. You go meet her. You go meet Jennifer where that Jennifer dey. Now you kill Jennifer, you go cut up inside fridge. Oh my people, I go put the video. Make una watch wetin this boy use his own mouth. They talk. This boy, God no go forgive you. You no go make heaven. You no go see that gate of heaven. I will see you guys in my next video. This story, this boy story, this Jennifer story, not before this boy. This Jennifer story weak me where my people. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
I love my woman well. I don't kill her with my hand. Now for you, yet now so fast. We have for disappoint everybody say because I cut up. Put her for fridge before. If for no smell, but if you carry the children back cupboard. The children tell my children don't get paper. I don't know. They don't get paper. I don't do paper for them. I say no, I beg this woman, but I want to Nigerian passport. Make her do Nigerian passport for these children. Make her do Nigerian passport for her. I don't kill her, I don't be kill her. The last time when I go apologize, I apologize to the family. You see her, I think go TikTok. I apologize. If Papa don't see herself, if Papa don't accept, Papa say, I don't get many viewers. I tell you, there some people that watch me when I apologize. If Papa say I don't get many viewers, 1,000 viewers don't watch me. He said not a great. My family go there. My family.
Die. Evil man. Now you be your guy. You are an evil man. Play this message to your pal. Play to your pal. Your pal is an evil man. And this one will give her sense. The rest of your daughters, you will leave them. Do anything you want to do. See message, and the same message where your Jennifer send give your papa, send give your papa. Say it's a disgrace, a disappointment. How money, small picking, whenever reach 30 Osato, go do couple, they do a shower, they give your pa money, he send money for your pa they toss, your pa tell her say, make it not tell anybody. Now so he pursue Jennifer come Europe. I mean Jennifer come Europe. Nobody won't post when they suffer. Nobody won't post that one. They don't post that rest in peace when they suffer. Now the better one that they post when don't dry cloth. But when rain beat the cloth for outside, nobody help her enter us. Now me do everything for her.